Welcome to DJMTV.
My people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make una do it to the follow, like, share, and subscribe. And here they bring all the Obonge news. They come your way. This will not be them say. This one I see them for yourself. Make you hear them for yourself. On today news, Adams Oshiomhole don't come out for one talk segment to talk say if they very happy with waiting Obaseki they do for Edo State concerning this minimum wage so where he say in one increase to 70,000. He said many other states they struggle to even pay the normal 30,000 where government don't approve, but in don't come topper now to 70,000. Oshiomhole talk how government still they approach this matter to make sure say man no go just dey go work for working sake, but you go see dey feed the family. I wan play on the video make una hear wetin im talk. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Governors who are ahead of this plan of the federal government.
I'm very happy with what the Edo State governor has done because he just be consistent with the tradition that we established when I was the governor and he was my economic advisor. Namely that when governor says they can't afford 80,000 naira, and I said, let's put an end to this rhetoric. Edo is about 16 or 18 in terms of federal revenue allocation, what accrues to the state. And if states that are earning almost double revenue from oil argue they can't pay 80,000, then I decided that we can pay, and we started paying 25,000 naira, which was about 33% increase for the minimum wage. And the good thing is that my successor, Obaseki, sustained that tradition. And before now, it's 40. While some states are still not even paying the old 30,000. So what he has done is not a new minimum wage. Because not the one that is backed by law. Okay? What he has done is in recognition of the current hardship. It's okay, I'm giving you this. But by the time the minimum wage is settled by law, and it's unlikely to be less than that figure, I believe he will do the needful. He will still implement it.
What can
stop asking where will this come from?
Say that again.
I say stop asking where will the money come from. Because I want you laboring where the money.
The question is that
where is the
governors
energy?
have always
Government can say anything.
The revenue
those same governors are buying new cars at correct price. They don't pity them because the revenue is low. I have a brother here who is also a governor. You don't go to the market and say, I'm not from oil producing, so I want to buy a car.
That's it's almost an oil producer now.
Yeah. Whether it is not, truth of the matter is the market, we have to speak the language of the market. He has a private sector background. You understand what drive prices? What drive prices? Those forces that drive prices, drive cost of living. Right? And why people work is to earn and live happily. Not just for themselves, but for their families. So the language of labor is not just pay me wages, pay me a living wage. Even the Holy Quran, the Holy Bible, says that the worker deserves his wages. Wages, not starvation wages, living wage, decent jobs.
I people often allow watch the video finish. Just I think concerning this matter, make una drop una comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news. Always do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ